Welcome to the first episode of Real Talk with Zahi, aka Zahida. She has been a real estate powerhouse for over 24 years in Dubai, and with navigating the highs and lows of the market, I am very excited that she is here today and I'm going to speak to her. So let's welcome Zahida.
Thank you,
Hi.
Nisa. Thank you very much for having me here.
Yeah, so I just want to dive right into this.
Sure.
Because you've been an inspiration for me personally, because I've known you for quite a few years. In Dubai, when I was here, you've been my mentor, and I could not possibly think of a better one, honestly.
Thank you very much. It's all my
So
pleasure.
you've had such an inspiring career, and in a competitive market like Dubai, can you tell us about one of the biggest challenges that you faced in your career, and especially how you overcame it?
So yeah, it was really tough. The market and the situation ups and down. Yeah, we've seen a lot, but the one thing that stuck with my mind, my head, is the failure is this key to success, and that's what I learned from my father. So I never understand that what is giving up is not the solution. So I always get up, try hard, and move forward. That's something that I learned from my father, and that makes me move forward always in my career because the real estate is something that I eat, I sleep, and I think about. And real estate is the only thing that I understand. Though being a mechanical engineer, I studied the engineering, but the real estate,
Really?
yes, the real estate is
So you've
something.
studied engineering. You've been an engineer
Yes,
student.
absolutely.
Oh my
So
God.
the father was a civil engineer, myself a mechanical engineer, and the real estate is just a passion. Probably it is in my DNA. So that makes me go.
So this is real estate is all you've done in your career. That's how you
Absolutely,
started.
absolutely. So
Oh.
I have seen growing myself, learning from my father because he was a developer himself. So we were talking about square feet, square meters.
Oh.
So that's our everyday talk in our house. And whenever I see the buildings, the properties, that somehow attract me towards, and that makes me say something that I want to do. So when I was about 21 years old and I got a first job offer into real estate from the company based in Dubai. And that time I realized that I know nothing actually, but then I still took a challenge because as I said that I learned take a challenge, go for it, try out before you lose.
So my first question to you would be that how exactly did everything start for you? Like in Dubai as a newcomer or as a newcomer in real estate, what how was it like? How did you end up here in the first place?
That was not that easy. वो इतना आसान नहीं था ये डिसीजन लेना फैमिली की एक लड़की को वहाँ से निकल के straight to Dubai at that time, and I'm talking about 2002.
Yeah.
Yeah, the situation was not that broad-minded. It's still conservative, but the support with my dad. So it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I think you should take a challenge. And देखो एक बार try, हार मत जाओ बिना try किए पहले at least try करो फिर
Of course.
decide करो. And then I packed my bags, and that's how I move forward. And I say, let's welcome the new life.
Were you scared?
या बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब फैमिली को छोड़ के आना एक नई जगह नए लोग नया एटमॉस्फेयर it was not that
And
easy,
back then, I don't
definitely.
think there were cell phones or anything.
No. When I came here, it was like a telephone booths on the street, and you have a mobile, but it was really costly. So like हर 15 दिन में या एक हफ्ते में एक बार बात
Yeah, I
करना
remember
family
even
में.
we used to go to these places where you used to specifically ask
You
the
reload the
telepro.
card,
Yes,
yeah,
you
and then
reload.
call family.
Yeah.
So it was challenging, but the only thing that makes me go and drive is my support from my family. My parents, and especially I want to thank my family, my dad, my mom, understanding me, helping me to achieve my dreams. Because मुझे ये जो passion real estate का था, that came from my family itself. Seeing my dad doing that business, he was a developer. तो जब वो करते थे तो घर में हमेशा square feet, square meters. The first equation
So
that
your
is
dad was a developer.
absolutely.
Oh my God.
So when I didn't know what is a square feet and square meter difference, and when I still remember the question कि डैडी ये square meter और square feet को कैसे convert करते हैं And then he sit down with me कि बेटा like इस तरह से होता है. That time, first time I understand like square feet and square meter
The whole
calculation,
concept of construction and how it's
construction.
all done.
And then I land up in Dubai, and it was all new world, absolutely new culture, a new system, new way of working. Everything was different.
Mm-hmm.
But then you were chasing your dream with the support of your family. You're all good to go and ready to take challenges because the failure was not an option for me.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely not. The
Yes,
more you
because
get
सब कुछ पीछे छोड़ के
पीछे
आए हैं
छोड़
इतनी
दो,
दूर तक, तो of
तो
course there's a
try
bit of
करना
pressure
है.
and
Definitely,
responsibility as well.
definitely.
So I would like to know that what was the biggest challenge or something that you found it the most difficult when you came here?
Indeed, there were some challenges that we face क्योंकि आप जब इंडिया से आते हो तो you know your people, you know the culture. So when you moved here, when first day when I get into my office and I saw different nationalities, so the first challenge to understand their style, their nature, the way of working, the way of behaving, कौन से वक्त पे कौन क्या मतलब चीज़ों को माइंड कर ले, तो वो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था. And I being a
Yeah, you
single
have to be
girl,
conscious that किसी को
absolutely.
कुछ बुरा ना लग जाए.
Exactly. You never know
Yeah.
कि कौन सी चीज़ किसको कैसे react करेगा कोई. Second thing was the accommodation, like you being a single girl, very young, came out from the comfort zone of family and suddenly you are struggling on your own.
Yeah.
And आपको अपना एक घर जहाँ से मैंने अपनी शुरुआत की थी वो बेड स्पेस से की थी.
अच्छा.
जहाँ पे I was sharing a room with people like another girls and I was definitely not comfortable because the background that I come from, yeah, of course we have
This
our
is
own.
not a very
Absolutely.
common concept back in India, right? Living in bed
Absolutely,
spaces and like 10 people in one room.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that I've gone through and I passed through that all of this process. तो क्या होता है कि आज दुबई की जो सिस्टम है जिस तरह से चलता है ये यहाँ पे जो भी न्यू कमर आता है डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट दे गो थ्रू लाइक इफ़ यू आर फर्स्ट टाइमर एंड यू आर स्टार्टिंग एंड बिल्डिंग योर करियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, तो यहीं से आपकी शुरुआत है.
Yeah.
फिर आपके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं है तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एट दैट टाइम नो मेट्रोज नहीं थे, खाली बसेस चलते थे, टैक्सी हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते थे.
Yeah.
तो बस से ट्रैवल करना, कम्यूट करना, लोकेशंस आपको पता नहीं है, तो देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस.
उस टाइम पे तो GPS भी नहीं है, so how exactly would you just have the address?
No
That's
idea.
it.
And I still remember I had a one first viewing of mine was scheduled in Arabian Ranches.
Okay.
And that time Arabian Ranches for me is the end of Dubai because there was nothing around, just the Mall of Emirates I believe that was there. And if you drive, I went by taxi and it looks like I'm out of Dubai already because
एकदम
it was just
बंजर
never ending
ज़मीन है
road.
बस.
Yeah, exactly. And I was like, who lives here? Who lives here basically? And that was my first viewing and I was very much and then I reached to Arabian Ranches and I was like, people genuinely live here?
Yeah.
And that time only the springs and meadows, so every viewing that we need to figure out first the best time
वहाँ
like
तक पहुँचेंगे कैसे?
कैसे किस तरह से जाया जाएगा, कहाँ होगा, जीपीएस समझ नहीं आता था, डेटा इतना होता नहीं था, तो वो इंटरनेट was that time is not that जिस तरह से
इंटरनेट I don't think था भी.
इतना
WhatsApp came along very late.
very late, yeah. तो
Yes.
Yahoo messengers and all the other communication, तो आप
Yeah.
कॉल ही कर लो. So yeah, it was a really challenging, but मुझे आज जब मैं when I go back and I think about all of this, it looks so organic. वो इतना प्योर था, इतना मतलब challenges होने के बाद भी वो जो एक खुद से learn करने का, एक खुद से
At every step you have explored something and you've learned
and I
something.
learned something.
Yeah.
आज के generation, आज का time ऐसा है, everything you Google, everything you put, you don't want to explore. You just
Yeah.
wanted to ask Google everything,
Yeah.
right? Which is
True,
very
true,
good. It
very
save a lot
true.
of time, everything. But वो वक्त बहुत
अलग था.
अलग था.
That-
उस वक्त वो
this
challenging
gives you
था.
the confidence that and the
Absolutely.
surety that this is right. I know
And
it.
that made your foundation very strong because you learn from scratch.
Yeah.
You learn real estate from scratch, going for a viewing yourself, hunting for a place, looking for a place, asking people, how do I go there? How do I make it? So you learn the geography by exploring by your own self without GPS.
Yeah.
So now if you ask me any corner of Dubai, any map, I know about it.
Exactly. You
So,
don't need the
Absolutely,
GPS.
absolutely.
That's very, very inspiring.
absolutely.
Oh my God. So another thing I would also want to ask you is that was there ever a moment where you felt in these 24 years that you've hit rock bottom and you just want to give up, or something that did not make sense, that, any time that you just want to pack your bags and leave? Nothing, anything like that?
It happened lot many times, to be honest. It
Really?
happened lot many times, and especially when we hit the recession in 2008 and 9. There was no real estate market moving forward. Every mall that we were visiting, and it was empty, and you see there is no future, looks like
Mhm.
there is no business, because of course if you are earning, that makes me go.
Yes.
So past year in 4 and 5 was a booming time where we earn a lot of money. The advertisement in classified, and we used to do business on telephones and all that. 8 and 9, yeah, the recession hit and everything went upside down. At that time, you think that's it. Now there's no future in Dubai. So let's do one thing. Let's pack your bag and go, because I don't think so.
There's no
It will
future
recover
here.
that
Yeah,
fast.
exactly.
But then still the motivation within yourself, like, say, no, you still have to see this phase. You need to face this phase.
Exactly.
And then we passed that as well very successfully. So at that time, I'm talking about 2010, when I started Better Homes as a senior property consultant.
Mhm.
It was absolutely challenging. Real estate markets was absolutely dead. There was nothing moving.
Because
Only
people are not earning hard, let alone like how will
absolutely
they buy
people
property?
left the countries. They left, like, the cars were outside the airport. The rent came down suddenly. There were no jobs, and real estate was like unpaid job.
Mhm.
So that was the only option, like, let's go. And then I've been offered a job. I got my baby at that time.
Really?
My son was just about a year old.
Oh, right.
And
When the
I joined,
recession hit.
exactly.
Right.
So 2010, I joined Better Homes as a senior property consultant. And then I was given the area that you need to specialize, only that area, which was downtown and Burj Khalifa. It was
Oh.
again challenging.
So I think downtown was just developed or developing at that point.
It was absolutely under the development phase. Burj Khalifa, I have seen from the groundbreaking to reaching to the heights,
Oh my god.
definitely in front of my right in front of my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
And then the downtown was just not that developed. Like now, you see this absolutely sparkling.
Exactly.
But at that time, no. And then there were just only few buildings around, the South Ridge and the lofts and the Burj Khalifa, of course, and residents and all the towers. Then I took the challenge, and I started again. I got up. I started again with the leasing, and I
Mhm.
started leasing. I picked up Burj Khalifa
As for leasing.
for leasing, because
Uh-huh.
I never believe in compromising things. I said, if I want to start back, I want to come back. I want to start with something. And the
That's
Burj Khalifa,
very very impressive.
absolutely, it was very challenging, because it was not that easy, because the clients for those kind of a property were
Mhm.
really really limited. But then I became an account manager for leasing for Emirates Catering. I got the Synergy, then a big brands, and I was the account manager for them. So any people that visit coming to the company, the director level, and I used to find the houses for them for leasing.
Okay.
So then I didn't give up. I started with the leasing. Then that phase also passed.
Mhm.
And then 2013, after the glory period, start coming again. So
Mm.
you have seen
You
Dubai
just have
real
to be
estate market.
patient, and you need to
Absolutely.
trust the process.
Absolutely. So
Correct.
2002 to 2006, 7, the glory period, we have seen everything like minting money, minting money. The confidence was like sky
Above.
high, right? And then 8, 9, we dipping deep dive inside, and we lost everything. But still, there was a phase, and I'm glad that I have seen that phase. So that make me more stronger,
And confident that
confident.
nothing can, if
Uh,
I've seen that, it have gone through that phase,
Absolutely,
you can do, you can overcome
you can
anything
face
now.
any challenges that
Exactly.
comes.
That was might be the worst
Worst
one
they
of
have
all.
seen. Then again, the phase started when the market started picking up. Dubai real estate come up with a lot of changes and a more regulated market, more control. Government was more active, and then the more secure market started. Then we had a refined buyers coming in. Then real estate market again growing.
Mhm.
So we have gone through all of this. Yeah, we face a lot of mental health challenges. There are a lot of things that, so the stress, the depressions, everything we hit.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
the best thing that you stand.
Exactly.
Sitting and losing is not the option. The thing is that you get up, you start again. You start again. I failed
Mm.
lot many times. But then other things, it's give up is not the solution.
that statement is always hitting my mind. You cannot give up unless you try. At least try. कोशिश तो करो. नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? या तो फिर आप सीखोगे या तो फिर आप जीतोगे.
It is going to be a lesson
Somewhere.
at the end at least.
Exactly. कुछ ना कुछ तो आप हासिल करोगे. ऐसा तो नहीं है इससे कुछ भी नहीं हासिल होना है. तो it went well and it was an inspiring journey. So when I look back about myself, मैं देखती हूँ जब अपनी जर्नी को पीछे, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि no, it was a wonderful time that I had. I've gone through
Exactly.
that process. It was really wonderful.
Mhm.
इससे एक चीज़ जो सीखी है कि ज़िंदगी का जो भी वक्त गुजरता है वो हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. वो उस वक्त शायद आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
Wo-
But
when
when you
you, like-
pass through, then you see.
Yeah, it's
ऐसा
always
लगता है
like in the retrospect that we feel like we laugh about it sometimes, or we feel like, oh my God, did I really
actually
did that?
actually
Yeah,
Yeah.
at that age.
at that age.
Yes.
That I'm very glad when I go back and I see my life journey. I salute myself.
No, truly, you
And
should.
absolutely, and I admire myself. This is the best thing actually. You need to first know yourself, understand yourself, and respect yourself, right?
Yes,
Before
agreed.
anybody else does. Because if you believe in yourself, then people will start believing in
Correct.
you.
You need
And
you need that.
absolutely. And this is what something I learned from my father. Every journey, anything that's first starts from yourself. So
Mm.
I believe myself that yes, Zahi, you can do it. You can make it happen.
Like if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect a random
Other
person
people to understand
hasn't
you
known
or
you? How
absolutely.
will he believe you?
Exactly.
Yeah, that is very inspiring. Like truly, truly, truly. That also brings me to my next question. You know, that what is this? That what specifically? What is it that keeps you motivated or keeps you going with in such a demanding industry? Because in real estate, I know that you have to be up to date every single day. You know, so what is it about you then?
You know, जब आप कोई चीज़ को बहुत शिद्दत से चाहते हो, something that you
Shah Rukh Khan.
want, yeah, kind of, कोई चीज़, and it's very very genuine that I want to chase my dream and I'm still chasing my dream right now.
Mm-hmm.
ओके. तो आपके अपने एक खुद के एक टारगेट है. मैं हमेशा कभी भी किसी को बोलती हूँ, इवन लाइक आई एम वर्किंग राइट नाउ एज अ सेल्स डायरेक्टर and I have a team and I keep saying that you have to have a target for yourself.
Yeah.
You don't need to come and prove me with your numbers. You have to prove yourself. Am I happy with what am I doing? सो ये जो चीज़ है ना, जब मैं अपने सपनों को चेस करती थी, दैट ऑलवेज मेक मी गो. सो जब आप सुबह उठो, आपके पूरे दिन का स्केड्यूल आपके पास रेडी हो, आई नीड टू मीट दैट पर्सन, आई वांट टू गो एंड सी द
Yeah.
ओनर, आई नीड टू प्रिपेयर द चेक्स फॉर दिस क्लाइंट, आई नीड टू सेंड एन प्रपोजल, आई नीड. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ एंड दोज थिंग्स मेक मी गो. तो ये जो मैं अपने सपनों को चेस करने की जो जर्नी है ना, अगर वो आपके अंदर वो पैशन हो ना, आप
Yeah.
किसी भी इंसान की कोई भी चीज़ को लेके,
Mm-hmm.
if you are passionate, you have a way. Because for me, one thing is very clear. If you wanted to escape, there are excuses. And
Correct.
if you wanted to achieve, there is a way. So I always look for the way. कि नहीं, मुझे चलना है, मुझे करना है और मुझे प्रूव करके देना है. I have nobody to prove to but myself.
Every day is a
Because
new day when
it's a
you're
new
in
day.
real estate.
And real estate is every day is a new journey, new people, new situations,
Exactly.
new circumstances. तो वो हर दिन challenging, और वो challenges makes your life
That's this
exciting.
adrenaline rush, you know, that gives
And
you
I'm-
like,
Keep going.
yeah, you want to be challenged.
Challenge.
It's
And
somehow.
I'm an adventurous girl. My dad used to tell me, and my mom used to, you used to be very naughty. तुम कभी किसी की बात नहीं सुनती थी, right?
You look like one.
Do I?
Yeah.
He said I'm a very naughty. So I'm a very stubborn kind of a person. Like something I want, no matter what it takes. I
Correct.
will take it.
Mhm.
Regardless, because not harming anybody, but I'll make sure
You
that
just
I,
know that this is something that I want and I will
want.
get it. I don't know how, but I will get
I'll
it.
try my best. At least I'll give a
Yes.
try, definitely, before I give up.
Mm.
मेरे roots, मेरे principles from my family, they are so strong. That's why my foundation is strong right now. That's why I'm standing strong in this competitive market. There are a lot of things change, but you are still standing strong because your foundation is strong.
Yes.
This is very important. Now I'm teaching my child as well. कि बेटा आज जो आप अपने आप को एक पौधे को जितना अच्छा उसके इनिशियल स्टेज पे आप जितना नर्चर करोगे ना, उतने अच्छे फ्रूट्स आएंगे.
Exactly.
So these values that I learned from my family, that helps me to go on. So आज की competitive market में भी आप survive कर सकते हो, situation को handle कर सकते हो, because as you know, you have that values with you.
Yeah, so like you are a lady of principles.
And indeed,
I appreciate someone like that. Like,
वही तो आपकी पहचान है, वरना क्या है?
exactly, you have to stand out.
Stand out.
Only if you have your own principles, you can be confident enough
Absolutely.
to put them forward. Then only you can lead.
100%.
Otherwise, you're just an individual
वरना
trying to
आप
earn for yourself.
और दूसरे लोग में क्या ही फ़र्क रहेगा?
Exactly.
Because अगर आपको इस रेस में रियल एस्टेट ऐसी चीज़ है ना कि आज की तारीख में मेरे ख्याल से कम काफ़ी 20-25 हज़ार एजेंट तो नॉर्मल मिनिमम
Easily.
और
Easily.
आपको वहाँ पे स्टैंड आउट होना किस तरह से होना है? तो उसी तरह से
That's the
your
only way.
knowledge. The only statement that I keep hitting my mind, your knowledge is your power.
Hmm.
The knowledge कहाँ से आएगा? जब आप उस चीज़ों को जो एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, उसको जानोगे, उसको सीखोगे, तब जाके आपका वो नॉलेज एनहांस होगा.
Yes.
And if you have that power, you are confident. You don't need to worry about anything.
Exactly.
That's it. And
Yeah.
every day is a new learning.
So speaking about the environment in real estate, so how is it that how do you stay ahead of everybody else? Because this is a very extremely competitive market,
Truly.
right? So what is your mindset that you can, how you can stay ahead of the ones around you, or just in general, every other real estate agent? What is the one thing that you've been following?
So the real estate is one of the service industry.
Hmm.
So, for example, you're offering something, the same thing that I am offering, and client is looking for the same thing, right? You offer or I offer is the same thing. The X factor that you add into this is your professionalism and your accurate services, accurate details, accurate information.
Correct.
And that, as I
Absolutely.
said, again, we go back to the same situation that you have that experience and knowledge that definitely stand out in this.
Mm-hmm.
So always, like now I'm working mostly on my referral clients. I don't need to go and hunt for a client because they look for Zahi. You need to go to Zahi.
Yes.
Zahi will guide you professionally. Zahi will guide you honestly,
Mhm.
where to invest, how to invest, for which time you need to invest. तो वो लोग ढूंढ के आते कि नहीं, आप Zahi के पास जाओ, उसके पास अच्छी डील मिलेगी.
Yes.
तो ये कैसे होता है ना, ये आपकी जर्नी आपने सीखा है,
You've
आपने
built that throughout the years.
Exact. मैं शायद उनके साथ धंधा उस वक्त ना भी करूं कि चलो नहीं हुआ, बट वो डेफिनेटली वो 2 लोगों को रेफर करेगा कि गो टू Zahi बिकॉज शी विल गिव यू द जेन्युइन डील एंड
Exactly.
एक्यूरेट डिटेल्स.
You're just like, you have to present in a way that I'm not just here for my money.
It's not about that.
I'm here
It's-
for the service.
It's a service oriented business. Yeah,
Exactly.
so you need to stick to that. You need to stick to the principles where you come from, right?
Yeah,
That's it.
that's very
Real estate
organic.
principle is a service oriented, and when you provide a service, you need to make sure that it is accurate.
Yeah, but
Like I cannot sell somebody like ये इसकी प्राइस नहीं, मैं सर आज 4 मिलियन है, 5 मिलियन है, 2 महीने के बाद या 6 महीने के बाद it's going to be a 6 or 7 million. No, I
Mhm.
can't do that. I need to be
Exactly.
realistic.
So basically, it's all about staying true to yourself also, so that in
Consistency.
your conscious also you feel that yes, you are being honest
True.
and you are giving the best advice to your client, so that वो आगे जाके आपको याद भी रखेगा और वो
Correct.
दूसरों को रेफर भी करेगा, even if he is not getting something out of it.
Absolutely. True.
That's how it is. And that is why, and I feel that a lot of people, they miss this concept about the service industry part that you just mentioned. It just hit me
Truly.
that ये सिर्फ एक टर्म रह गया है लोगों के लिए आजकल.
The fast growing market with this generation, everybody wants to make money, quick money, fast money.
Yes.
So they forget that उनके लिए सिर्फ ये आज की डील है, we wanted to close this deal, we wanted to finalize, we want to make it.
हाँ.
तो ये ना बहुत क्विक प्रोसेस हो गया है.
Yeah.
तो उससे क्या होता है कि वो कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन नहीं रहती है. कभी आप ये कहते हो, कभी आप वो कहते हो, तो
Yeah.
आपके पास वो
It
फाउंडेशन
should
नहीं है.
वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट नहीं होना
होना
चाहिए. आपके
चाहिए,
अपने
हाँ.
वैल्यूज भी मैटर करते हैं ना
मैटर
उस
करता है
मामले
बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली थिंग जो कहते हैं ना एक इंसान को चलाता है,
में.
लंबा रखता है, लंबे तक रखता है. आज मुझे इंडस्ट्री में 24 साल हो गए दुबई रियल एस्टेट में, एंड आई एम स्टिल गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, राइट, कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ, राइट. तो वो ये किस लिए? क्योंकि आपने वो अडॉप्ट किया है, आपने इसको चलाया है, उस आपको
Exactly.
मेंटेन रखा है उस चीज़ को, तभी तो. वरना आज ज़्यादातर मैं देख रही हूँ रियल एस्टेट में लोग आते हैं एज अ सीजनल, दे मेक मनी एंड देन
They
डिसअपीयर.
leave,
नोबडी विल
yes.
रिमेंबर दैट अच्छा मैं ये रियल एस्टेट मार्केट में भी था कभी,
Mhm.
and they switch to different businesses. So that's it.
Yeah, so it's all about staying true to yourself as
True to
well.
yourself.
Yes.
You are answerable to yourself more than anybody else.
So what would be like as we approach the end of our session, sadly? what would be the one piece of advice that you'd like to give our listeners? Anything in general.
What I can say, as a, not in terms of real estate but in general, अगर मैं किसी को कुछ बोलना चाहूँगी तो मैं सिर्फ इतनी सी बात बोलूँ कि बी योर सेल्फ, लीव योर लाइफ। आज जो वक्त है वो आपका है, जो आप हो उसका बेस्ट बेनिफिट दूसरों को दो। अपने आप को तो बेनिफिट आप दे ही देते हो, दूसरों के बारे में सोचो। थिंक अबाउट अदर्स। नाउ वी आर लैकिंग राइट नाउ एट दिस टाइम इज़ अ ह्यूमैनिटी। The biggest thing that we are missing right now in this world is a humanity. तो बिजनेस करो, धंधा करो, कमाओ, सबका राइट है, सबको करना चाहिए, बट अपनी वैल्यूज़ को मत खो,
Don't
उसको
forget your
लेकर रहें।
values.
एंड
Yes.
बैलेंस योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ, बिकॉज द फैमिली है जो मुझे आज यहाँ तक लेके आई है, वो मेरी फैमिली है, मेरी फैमिली का सपोर्ट है। तो आप अपने काम को जितना वक्त देते हो उतना वक्त, उतना फोकस आप अपनी फैमिली को भी दो, क्योंकि वही है जो
आगे
आपको आगे
जाके।
चलाएंगे, आपको लेके चलेंगे। काम से तो आपको स्ट्रेस ही आना है, आपको डिप्रेशन ही आना है, आपको तो ये सब कुछ
You
आना
need
है।
to find the balance.
बैलेंस, द बैलेंस इज़ द की। तो ये ज़रूरी है आपके लिए, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
So that was your introduction to Zahi, a very dynamic real estate personality, which we are yet to explore in the coming up episodes of Real Talk with Zahi. Until next time, stay tuned.